What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 basic model. The first cases are already being sold. Galaxy S23 Ultra corner confusion continues with new Samsung Galaxy S23 case leak. Anyone who still doubts about what Samsung Galaxy S23 line will look like next year will now get new indications from the accessories trade, which should prove that in terms of cameras, primarily the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will change a little. With the Galaxy S23 Ultra on the other hand, the design remains very close to the Galaxy S22 Ultra. We have already seen nicely visualized render images and 360-degree videos of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 basic on CAD models, which gave us a very familiar picture of the upcoming Samsung flagship generation. With the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus, the camera bump has disappeared and a small 6.1 inches basic model has slightly thicker edges. Otherwise, the visual changes compared to the Galaxy S22 line are very limited, although some details are still disputed. After first case for the Galaxy S23 had already been leaked in the form of render images, but now the first accessory products for the Galaxy S22 successor are already on sale. The leaker Ice Universe recently published the first real images of 3 protective cases, as you can see in the video, which one again demonstrate the minimal differences and allow size comparisons. The middle model, which is incorrectly referred to as the Galaxy S23 Pro, naturally means the Galaxy S23 Plus. A new supposed Samsung Galaxy S23 protective case leak has left fans with divided opinions, especially over the corner design of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. There are cases for each model in the line, including one incorrectly labeled Galaxy S23 Pro, which is for the Galaxy S23 Plus. The new Galaxy S23 line will be released in early 2023. The well-known leaker Ice Universe has shared images of a new series of protective cases that have seemingly been prepared for the Samsung Galaxy S23 range. And it appears at least 2 things have been noticed by fans that have caused quite a discussion. The generic cases are for the Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Pro, and Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, although the tipster has already made it clear that the Galaxy S23 Pro case has the wrong name and it's for the Galaxy S23 Plus. According to the report, protective covers have already landed in Chinese online retail. The first entries for the Galaxy S23 line can also be found on well-known Chinese marketplaces such as Alibaba and AliExpress. As an example, this is very generic case for the Galaxy S23 Ultra and Galaxy S23 is mentioned, but more should be added in next few days and weeks. Although the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 flagship will not be launched quite as early as the Xiaomi 13. An earlier launch than last year is also rumored here, but probably not until January 2023. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.